UBC's Okanagan campus is a perfect place to meet in the summer. With over 50 meeting and event spaces, you will always find a space that suits your needs for groups of up to 400 people. From spacious foyers for receptions or coffee breaks, or a ballroom for a fancy banquet dinner, to classrooms and lecture theaters in various sizes for any meeting. As a bonus, all classrooms come with complimentary AV already set up in the room. Our professional staff will help you successfully execute your event on campus by coordinating all on-site services. The award-winning chef from Scholars Catering will work with you to create a menu with your group and budget in mind. Or, if you're looking for a casual meal, you can book the Well Pub in the Students' Union Building. Our beautiful and compact campus is a walkable oasis in the middle of the city. There's plenty of comfortable nooks and pine-sheltered trails to explore nearby. Between May and August, our modern student residences provide 6 different room types. All suites have a basic equipped kitchen. All room types have private bathrooms. Rooms come with linens, towels, some bathroom amenities, free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and 24/7 front desk service. Next time you are holding an event, meet on campus. Please contact us for more information about meeting spaces, availability, and pricing.